What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can cash a check on PayPal or how to deposit a check on PayPal. Well, the process of doing that is pretty simple. You just need to follow these instructions. First things first, open up your PayPal app and then go to your wallet. And in the Coke wallet, just tap on your balance. Now, once you are seeing your PayPal balance, this is how you will be able to see. Here, as you can see an option for cash a check. Now, here you have to tap on cash a check, and there you go. It will just give you or want you to snap a photo. You just have to give the camera permissions to PayPal and then take the front and the back pictures of the check. Now, once you do that, as you can see, they will want you to pick up the speed as well. You can get the money in 10 days without any fee. However, you can get it in minutes with a $5 fee. It really depends upon you, whatever you want to do. Select the option according to you and tap on confirm. Now, PostScript notice that this function or this feature is only available to US only and you can't do that in the United Kingdom for now. So that's pretty much it. That's what I have to do. Hope you guys find this video helpful.